his spoon. His tea-stained shirt, well, it really made me swoon. His order of a chip buddy made our conversation smutty. So I showed him my midriff, he showed me a stick shift. Oh, my heart belongs to a truck driver from Essex. In person he's so sweet, but on the road he doesn't message. Sometimes I do have to question his ethics, but my heart belongs to a truck driver from Essex. I asked him if I could see his load. He told me that was for us further down the road. He'd fiddle his tachometer to see me. He liked his coffee with cream. Then he'd speed down the motorway with his lights on full beam. Oh, my heart belongs to a truck driver from Essex. I fell in love so quick because of his dreamy aesthetics. I told him I had a bun in the oven. He said I could eat a dozen. Then I said no, I'll meet a baby. And he said, heck, I love you, Daisy. Oh, my heart belongs to a truck driver from Essex. Recently I've been struggling because I found out that he'd been smuggling. This revelation was troubling. Turns out it was just hugs for snuggling. What could I do? My thoughts were bubbling. Why smuggle, snuggle hugs when I am struggling? Why am I on my own? It's befuddling. It's me and you who should be cuddling. Oh, my heart belongs to a truck driver from Essex. I thought we were in love, but he don't even do the basics. In our relationship he was faking, so I've returned to flipping bacon. Maybe now it's time to move on. It's well over a year that he's been gone. My love, it made me hazy. I forgot my name, it wasn't Daisy. Oh, my heart belongs to a truck driver from Essex. To a truck driver from Essex. To a truck driver from Essex. Filthy, cheating bastard.